Wishing you continued success.
Take care. You too. Thank you.
I'm going to take off a little bit. Oh, Emily's excited.
And Ashley represents her birthday. Say congratulations on able to make it today. And Emily was not able to make it either.
They had a card for her. That is so cool. I had noticed something.
For what?
Which one?
The party. This is.
I like it.
They have a card for her.
What is that, hot?
Who was that wanted me to read theirs?
Me.
Was that you?
It's over here in the corner, I think. Top corner.
Top corner?
To the left.
Oh, Tom's on. Oh,
Right there.
that's what-
Yeah.
Ah, yes, they are. We are the coolest. We need our own club. Or something.
We should start.
Thank you, everybody. I'm sincerely grateful for you guys thinking of me. That's so sweet. What does it say from Oscar? Can you read it?
Feliz Dados. Feliz Dados.
I can read that.
Maybe that's
Felicidades.
Felicidades.
Where is that?
What does that mean?
Congratulations.
Felicidades.
Oh, yeah. Felicidades. Yeah.
Sounds like Dora.
Dora the Explorer.
You have kids.
There we go. I only know
Thank you guys. It's sweet.
You're welcome.
It was a neat show.
So you were asking after, what's it after? You will be so busy that all of a sudden you'll be like, oh my gosh, the next 3 months of my life.
It's been how many months since you finished?
I don't even know. Summer.